Hey guys, just wanted to do a real quick update on my reef tank. I haven't done much since last time I showed this tank. I may have added a couple fish, and I'm basically starting this as day one of my reef tank rehabilitation. Little clown goby hanging out on my half-dead Duncan coral. Bangeye cardinal, got a ton of sarcophyton and green star polyps and gorgonia coral. About the only thing doing well in here. This is my sump. I don't have much right here. I got this little Home Depot light and some macroalgae growing in there. Some live rock right here, as well as a filter sock. There's a heater in there. And I do have an auto top off. I just filled it up. I do have to clean this up a little bit. And I do have the hose tied with tinfoil because my cat likes to chew on it. But it is a Duetto ATO. These things are pretty reliable. I've been using them for quite some time. Over here on the top, we've got some cheap Chinese rusty LEDs, baby. Our favorite. I am going to upgrade these lights. I also ordered a glass lid for this because I had some nice AI lights, aquillumination lights, and they built up a lot of moisture and they broke on me. So first things first, going to get a glass top, then I'm going to upgrade the lights. Also got a new skimmer on the way.